Hello, my name is Chris Oppenheimer, and I am one of the founders of Botany Scientifics. And in 2019, when we created Botany Scientifics, we set out on a mission to take a plant and put it into the communities and people's homes to go out and make a difference. And as we started to make our first batches of product, we learned real quickly that what's in the soil matters when it comes to the hemp plant. And as I started to think about what was in the soil, I really started to think and wonder, what could we do differently to our soils to where we could have better plants and have better people? And then came the thought of soil, plants, and community. At Botany Scientifics, we want people to know the soils that their plants are grown in. Think about it. The hemp industry is one of the industries that is the most critical in doing the testing and making sure that our products are ethical with COAs and documentation to prove that they are high quality, pure, and safe for the human body. Could you imagine if they did the same thing for the fruits and the vegetables that we have in our grocery store? So that is what I mean when I talk about soil at Botany Scientifics. We want to take care of the soil. And now let's talk about plants. Because without good quality plants grown in soils with good nutrition, nutrients, we're going to have mineral deficient plants, and people will eventually have mineral deficient diseases. And all sickness and disease can be prevented if the body is given the right nutrients and micronutrients. And we at Botany Scientifics aren't here to make any medical claims. I'm no doctor, no scientist, but I am smart enough to know that when we put the right things in our body, the right things begin to happen. And then community. Community is one of the most important things for me at Botany Scientifics, and here is why. I grew up on a military base. I grew up with people from all over the world. And as a child, I never knew the difference. And somehow over the last few years, people have been torn from their families, their communities. People don't know where they fit in. And at Botany Scientifics, we want to be a company and a brand where we're going to take a plant that people were afraid of, and we're going to show them that it's safe for them, their family, and their community. And when we talk about community, we want to talk about bringing people back together. And at Botany Scientifics, we know not every person is going to use our products. But what we do know is that every person lives in a community. And no matter what your community looks like, how it is, where you came from, that's where you can be a part of Botany Scientifics. Because during 2022, we're going to launch our campaign to get people back to soil, plants, and community. And at Botany Scientifics, we're here to grow our brand in the legal cannabis space to give people options to be able to be healthier, cleaner, more productive individuals. And at Botany Scientifics, this year, when you go out into your community, we hope that you will support our brand. This is our fun shirt that we have created for 2022. It's soil, plants, community, and it's botany, but the rays of light that are on it, this year we want you to be the light in your community, however that may look. We want Botany Scientifics to be there to represent you, your soil, your plants, and your community. Thank you for your support. We love you, and we look forward to so much more in 2022 and beyond. Like I always say, love our brand, be inspired by our cause, soil, plants, community.